Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make probiotic kanji at home. Gather brown carrots, beetroot, jaggery, non-iodized salt, and filtered water, then sanitize jars and utensils before starting. Chop vegetables evenly for consistent extraction and pack jars loosely to allow gases to escape. Mix jaggery and salt with water, pour over vegetables, and seal jars with loose lids to ferment at a stable room temperature for optimal flavor and culture growth. In this video, I will show how to make probiotic kanji at home. Start by washing and scrubbing all vegetables well, then slice them into uniform pieces for even fermentation. Warm a portion of water to dissolve jaggery and non-iodized salt, then cool before pouring over the vegetables to avoid killing beneficial microbes. Pack jars leaving headspace, label with date, and store at a steady room temperature away from direct sunlight for best results. If this guide is helping, please subscribe and like to support more recipes and easy fermentation tips. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Voice control makes it funny and handy when beet stains hit the floor during kanji prep, and it actually saves time for more fermenting. Check the description for link and other deals, and if you enjoy it, now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to make probiotic kanji at home. Monitor jars daily and gently release built-up gas to keep lids safe, then taste starting day 3 to track acidity development. When the flavor reaches a pleasant tang, move jars to the fridge to slow fermentation and preserve cultures. Reserve the liquid as a probiotic beverage and store solids for cooking or composting while maintaining clean handling to avoid contamination.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.